Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to today's market outlook. Edmund here. So, how was your trading week so far? I hope your trading week has been good, as the markets was giving us a lot of opportunities on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays, all the way until yesterday. Okay, so let us have a quick look and see what happened yesterday. Okay, as you can see, the US dollar index has been going down for a number of days, and we were looking at the 4 hourly charts on the 4 hour charts for the US dollar index, and again for the last 2 weeks or so, it was showing us that the US dollar index was in a consolidation phase. So every time the prices came towards this resistance on the 4 hour charts, it came back down, and it was no different for this particular week. Okay, so it came back down and all the way until the lower levels or the support levels of the 4 hourly charts. Okay, so when we switch it to the 1 hour view, okay, our 1 hour view will show us again that it was trending downwards on the 1 hour charts, and after going down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, yesterday it found support. However, it broke through the 4 hour charts, but it didn't break through or break down for long, as the US dollar managed to retrace back and recover strongly. Okay, so let us have a look and see what are the events coming up for the next 24 hours. For today, economic calendar wise, we will be having some minor data coming out from Europe. First of all, with the French industrial production numbers, and followed by the Italian industrial production numbers at 4 p.m. Okay, so not a major data. Again, we should be just observing the price movements and volatility of the euro dollar and also the UK pound towards 2 to 4 p.m. Okay, so towards the evening, we will be having from Canada the employment change data and also the unemployment rates. So for this data, we are looking at this one. Okay, so for this data for tonight, markets are expecting 700,000 jobs to be created in the Canadian economy, and also markets are expecting the unemployment rates to come in at 12%. So again, any data or any results better than 700,000 jobs will be positive, and any number for the unemployment rate below 12% would be positive. Okay, so a quick look at yesterday's unemployment claims data shortly. Okay, so so from Canada, the employment change and also unemployment rate, and towards 8:30 p.m. also, but this time is from the US. We will be having the core producer price numbers. At 9:30 p.m. we will be having the conference board leading index data from the UK, and that about wraps up today's economic calendar. And let us just have a quick look and see what other events happened over the last 24 hours. Again, just now we saw on the US dollar index, the US dollar strengthening for Thursday, as new coronavirus cases hit record highs, and after US imposed sanctions on top Chinese officials who are deemed to be abusing human rights in China. Okay, so again, that is what we saw just now on the technical charts. We saw the US dollar strengthening. Okay, here we go. So US dollar strengthened throughout the UK and European market trading session, and also throughout the US trading session. Okay, so we'll come to this later. In terms of the US unemployment claims results, which was announced yesterday evening at 8:30 p.m., the numbers came in at one second, this is a bit too long, it's last week. Okay, Friday. 8:30 Okay, so let us have a look and see. Okay, for yesterday's unemployment claims data, the numbers came in at 1.314 million American citizens filing for unemployment claims. This is a result which is slightly better than market expectations of 1.375 million Americans filing for unemployment claims. So yeah, so for the last couple of weeks, the data has been consistent at about 1.3 million unemployment claims per week. So yes, so this will lead up towards the end of the month, and also the non-farm payrolls numbers at the beginning of next month. Okay, so other data coming out again, as mentioned just now. New cases of coronavirus in the US hit a record high of 60,000 new infections a day, breaking the previous record of 55,000 new cases on 2nd of July. So again, major states such as California, Texas, and Florida have recorded record high infection cases. And of course, Dr. Anthony Fauci, the infectious disease expert and also the advisor to the White House, mentioned that the country was still in deep trouble, or in deep waters, in terms of handling the coronavirus issue. Okay, so let us go on and have a look at. By the way, this is the rest of the daily market outlook, which is on the UK pound, gold prices, and also on US West Texas Instrument spot oil prices. Okay, however, this is all in PDF format, so we are going over to do the video version, which is more interesting and also more detailed. Okay, so let us move on to the technical charts analysis section.